Hello, today we're going to be picking an Oxford Screamer. Well, it's Oxford Alarm. As you can see, look, you turn that, and it pops open, and then you turn it, and that is armed. So that's armed. So we'll have a look when we've managed to pick it, and there's your keeping on that one. And today we're going to be using it for the people who haven't got like tools to make tools. This is ejector pin I've just knocked up there because the other tension tool isn't that good, and you've got to file that bit down as well. This is the Montreal one you get off eBay for about 30. I got it for 36 quid. So I'm going to use popping the keyword tension, and I've just put that on the end. That's off the normal Detainer pick. I've just screwed that on. It's quite good. So we'll zero it out and see if we can pick this without setting the alarm off. So there it is. Zero it out. And let's go. So you get this picked without setting it off. Just need to get tension. There we go, got tension. Let's start from the top. There we go. Please click there. That was off number 5. I mean number 6, sorry. Let's get back on that number 1 again. With this pick, you can't, like with the silver bullet, you can put loads of, like, you can put good tension on it and get the clicks. With this one, you could put good tension with a bottom tensioning tool. When you find the band and disc, release the tension, because these picking tips on these are not hardened like the silver bullet, so you've got to be very, very careful. Me personally, I think if you can, you should buy 2 of these just in case, if you're a beginner anyway. But what I'm going to do is, I'm nearly at 600 subscribers, so I'm going to do a giveaway, 3 giveaways for beginner, intermediate and advanced. In advanced, I will be putting 2 Detainer picks, this one and the other one I've got, and I'll do a beginner's kit and an intermediate kit, but I'll also put some high security locks in as well. Because like I say, I've got a lot of locks what I've picked up ages ago that people will like. So anyway, concentrate on this. Right, let's start again. Right. Right, let's start at the bottom. Let's go. Catch that bottom just to keep slipping off. I should have done the bottom tension a little bit bigger, but I'll mod this a little bit better when I do the giveaway. Right, I think I'm getting it all in. Me personally, with these Oxford Screamers, I've just been playing about with that. Like I say, you can buy cheap Detainer padlocks, or you can just look on eBay and get these used for the same price, like 5, 6, 7 quid. And if you look properly and have a good rake about on eBay. And I've had a mess about with this, and me personally, I don't think it's reliable. I don't, unless it's just because it's old. It's been used a while. No, one more disc, come on. I'll start at the top again. Right, that's in. I think I'm getting most of them in. It's a 7, I think it's 7 discs in this. Right. I've just picked it there, so you can see if I picked it a few times I know exactly where everything is. I don't. Right, let's try this one, see what this does. And when you're picking these disc locks, when you've got the lines there, it's best to keep in between. To see if that's a disc, it's best to just keep in between that. I've noticed that. So I'm going to keep it there, come back up on that one, try that one. There we go, and it's open. I'm getting it open. So that's the second time we're getting that open, that one. So let's have a look at it. Have a look what's inside. Can't gut it like I've just tried to gut it there. Right, see if I can get this out and set the alarm off. Oh, turn it again, I would have turned it off because I popped it open. Right. Right, where there. Right, let's get that back out again. Let this jammed up. Going to set the alarm off. I'm trying to get this out. Right, that's that. And it's jammed right up that baby. Now that's out. So there you go. There's the bottom tension, a little bit of fight there, so take this off, see if we can set it off. So get your ears ready. Now look, press that, let that get the thing is ready just in case I set it off. I want to set it off. So I'm saying it's not very reliable, is it? So, right. Look, to show you that it's armed again, watch. Yeah, it's open. It's armed. See, we've got to press that. Give it a bit of time. So, me personally, it's not very reliable, this. But let's have a look inside. And there's your insides there. There's your battery and that. And you can see where it actually clicks into the contact. And if you can see, that's got Allen key. I took that out because I thought it was, you could take that out, but you can't. And there's your battery pack there. So anyway, there you go, Oxford Screamer. And like I said, get the 100 subscribers. I'll be giving 3 good giveaways away. Anyway, cheers and bye.